Having spent a really lovely day at Sparta, we headed south, getting caught in a local traffic jam before finding our park up for the night in a little restaurant car park overlooking the sea, and here it was wonderful. A day later, we headed further south to meet up with van navigation and explore a shipwreck.
One of the best bits about here, as a free car park to a restaurant, is they have laundry facilities, €5 a machine. They have a shower for €4. And you come around here and the restaurant toilets are in a separate building, which means you can use them 24 hours a day, and they leave the lights on. And they are incredibly clean, even if they are missing a seat. But they are very clean. So they also have free water, drinking water you can help yourself to. And there is a cold water shower, and I believe in here this is another cold water shower. Maybe not. Looks as though that's going to be a cold water shower, but it's free. So if you don't mind showering in public, there's a free one just there. And then there's a restaurant just there. Fish restaurant. They do pork and chicken as well. But yeah, fish restaurant just down there. Not the cheapest, but not badly priced. Isn't this beach beautiful? It's so uncommercialized, it's lovely, and that's because it's a turtle nesting ground, so it's protected. But it has this on it. Isn't this huge? This is the Shipwreck Dimitrios. It's been here since 1981, I think, and it was originally brought here because the captain fell ill and he had to have medical emergency services. So they came here and they left it anchored out there, and a year later it broke, it wasn't protected, and it ran aground here in December 1981. It's been here ever since. They reckon it was financial and mechanical things that stopped it from being rescued, but locals reckon it was used for smuggling. They reckon it was smuggling cigarettes from Italy to Turkey, or the other way around, but and they reckon that they set fire to it to hide the evidence. It's been here ever since. It's really cool. You can get right up to it and touch it, which I don't like, because I don't like tall things above me and caves and things. And we can kayak all the way around it and have a good old nosy. Isn't it awesome?
Come on, Claire. Come on. Come on. There. Look at me.
I don't like it. It's the same feeling as I get in caves. I don't like it. I'm running away.
It's very cool. Stick your head in.
No, I'm absolutely not going to stick the camera in. I don't like it.
Very Good morning, folks.
Morning.
And as you can see, Claire's doing all the work. I'm just going to sit here. We have come to see another shipwreck, the second of the journey. Claire is steering far to the right to keep well away from it.
I don't like it.
The water, though, is incredibly clear here. I don't think it's very deep either. It looks lovely. Let's have a look. Right, I'm going to quite look forward to looking at that video in a tick, see what's in there. Anyway, let's get over to the ship. This is so cool. You can see the huge engine there. The whole thing is rusted and falling apart now. Well, where are you going, Claire?
Go away from it. I don't like it.
I'll go parallel to it. Claire didn't like it this close, so she jumped off, and I've come back to get right up close to it. This is incredible to see like this. There's beauty in decay, as they say. Something we saw,
but it's free use for the
flamingos.
Oh, we saw flamingos a couple of days ago.
But here,
yeah, you know the horseshoe, the inlet that I sent you the other day.
Yep.
There's in
on
the
the
lagoon
inlet side.
there, on the inlet side. There's flamingo
Hundreds
in there,
and hundreds
a thousand easily.
Oh, crikey!
We didn't see thousands. We certainly saw
though.
one lake where we stopped to the monastery to do the geocache. After a fabulous day on the beach exploring the shipwreck, kayaking and swimming, we spent the evening sitting around the campfire with Kath and Stu, exchanging travel stories, swapping secret camping locations, and playing with Stuart's poi balls into the early hours.
Yeah, Mickey does this thing where he does that and then he turns on the spot and it looks amazing. I can't do it, except that I literally just hit myself with that.
If you like our travel videos, consider having a look at Van Navigation's videos too. A link to their YouTube is in the comments below. We've not done this for a while, so good morning, folks.
Morning, folks. Tom's just asked me, do I know where we are? Greece.
Greece, by the beach somewhere. I'm going to put it in the right below now.
Can you tell we've had a few days off?
Yeah, we've had a lovely couple of days. After spending time with
Kath and Stu
from Van Navigation, we had a couple of days there on the beach. Then we had a couple of days back at the hotel, the restaurant, and did a bit of catch-up work. And we came to the beach. We had a lovely day on the beach yesterday. So we've really had 5 days off now, which is lovely. But it's time to get moving again.
But before we go, we've noticed this area. There's quite a lot of mystery caches, geocaches, a type of geocache, where we've had to sit there and do jigsaw puzzles to get the coordinates for. So we did all that yesterday and the day before. Now we're going to go and find some of them. We did try and find some yesterday. It was getting down to dusk, but they're really hard to find. So we're going out with renewed vigour today.
So if you're watching this and you don't know what geocaching is, send us a message or put in the comments and we'll tell you about it.
It's good fun. You get to find places you would never find without it.
Anyway, the sun is coming out. It's going to be cloudy for the next 5 days, so we're going to enjoy this sun.
Yeah.
Let's go wandering.
Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It's free and really helps us out. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to tell you when the next video is out. And join us on the next episode to see what madcap adventures we get up to. Who knows?